you can teach about ayahuasca, but not lead a ceremony. But a person to share this medicine have to be connected. They have to talk the root language, because you cannot talk English to ayahuasca spirit.
My name is Karen Kag. I am an expat living near Otavalo, Ecuador, in Imbabura province, and I'm here with Tayta Willka. We have workshops coming up here, and we would like to ask Tayta Willka to share more information, specifically about a workshop that he will answer questions about many of the ceremonies that he is able to provide for people. Specifically, ayahuasca. Many people I know are interested in ayahuasca ceremonies, but he will also answer questions in this workshop about the house blessings, the wasifishai, is that right? Or cleansings, the wider fishai kuna, those, and naming ceremonies, lots of different Andean ceremonies that he is able to perform. But here, for this short video, as sort of an introduction, Tayta Willka, would you please talk a little bit about the ayahuasca, especially because I know so many people, so many gringos, especially in the United States, are like, oh, I want to come to South America and do ayahuasca. And there are so many unethical people. Anyone can say, I'm a shaman, I can do ayahuasca. First of all, what is the benefit? Who should consider doing ayahuasca? What is the benefit of an ayahuasca ceremony? Could you just share that?
I know ayahuasca become very popular because the benefits. It's a very beautiful essence of life. We call ayahuasca is I used to call it essence of creator. So because it connects to our essence, the creator. So it's very important in this time. That's why it become very popular. And also it's taking a risk to lose the traditional way. Like you said, there's lots of people offering these ceremonies without have not even, I cannot say experience. We don't need the experience for this. We have to be a part of the traditions. This sound, each language has their own sound, their own vibration. So that's why when we sing Icarus, we send vibration for our soul. And this is connected because we grow up in the mountain, in the jungle. So we have this, we are instrument. We are an instrument. So this instrument make a sound. Even if I teach someone to do a ceremony or sing Icarus, they will sing maybe better than me, but the sound, the vibration, it won't be the same. So medicines has their own language, their own spirits. So that's why you have to understand the importance who is connected to the spirits of the plants to help families, people, friends to reconnect to their essence. I know there is lots of information. The chemistry, they do a lot of movement, lots of helping their brain, all these traumas. There's lots of information. A lot of people know better than me to explain about the chemistry. But I won't talk about the chemistry. I will share about the connection you have to make with the plant. So we have the medicine inside already. Ayahuasca medicine is inside us. So what we do with external medicine is just to do little spark and to boost this energy. It's important to understand these connections. That's why I'm worried about people doing ayahuasca, serving ayahuasca without these connections and hurting people. I hear lots of, I'm here in Canada fixing all these things because they did this kind of ceremonies or he find out ayahuasca in online and he take it ayahuasca with no guidance. So they hurt themselves, they damage themselves. So now, actually last night I was doing recovering session because they hurt themselves with ayahuasca. because
When you say hurt, do you mean mentally or physically or both?
both, because the chemistry, you don't know the amount of the medicine. It hurts. It's like it's every medicine. If you have a
Art
Western
medicine?
pharmaceutical medicine, yeah, you have to take just the doctor will say
Oh,
take this milligram and every
not
3 hours.
more.
Not everything. Not
Right.
because you're sick, very sick, you will take all the bottle. So medicine need dose, and especially in this case, ayahuasca need dose spiritually, mentally, emotionally. So as a shamans, as a yachaks, we in our ceremonies, we saw them not physically. We can explore physical, then we talk with them, we explore the mentally, and we talk their feelings, we explore the emotionally. So that's how we create amount to serve this person, to help them, because the idea is not about experience. A lot of people looking for experience, and if they're looking for experience, I said, I'm not to give experience. I'm here to help you to connect to creator, to connect mother nature, but not for experience. So, but a lot of people here, they talk ayahuasca for experience, and now they're having problems. And I'm trying to make the connection in a good way to everybody. And that's why I saw very important to share about how to connect with ayahuasca medicine, and when, uh, how, if I'm ready, I'm not ready, or all the process to be. We need preparation, we need fasting, we need a lot of things, a lot of protocols to follow. Yesterday I was talking to him. I said, how I can see ayahuasca ceremony is a surgery, a spiritual surgery. Uh, Even physical surgery, you have to know which hospital or which clinic is safe for you, which specialists are good to do brain surgery. So ayahuasca do brain surgery, soul surgery. So that's why you have to very carefully where you're going, who is leading the ceremony. That's why I want to talk and share this, encourage them to take it ayahuasca, but in a safe way.
Okay.
So
What kind of questions could someone ask? Of course, you can come to this workshop and ask Tayta Willka all of the questions you want, but just for people who may not be able to come to this workshop in Ecuador, this is another good one we should do online for everyone. But what kind of questions should people ask before they just go out and do an ayahuasca experience? I think I'm hearing you say, don't just do ayahuasca for the experience. But
yes,
what kind of questions should we ask if you say, okay, what kind of problem? Do you mean like trauma? Maybe trauma from my childhood? Could ayahuasca help with trauma? Does it help with depression? What can it help? And what kind of questions should I ask?
we call ayahuasca grandma medicine. So it's a medicine. So when you're taking a medicine, you have to find out why you're taking this medicine. You have to know what is your problem. So if you have a headache, you take this. You have a stomach problem, you take this. You have bone problem, you take this. And now you have to check yourself. You have to uh, talk, pray, meditate, and then you will understand what you need. If you need ayahuasca, if they talk to me, I said, no, you don't need ayahuasca. You need change diet. So I said, you don't need ayahuasca. I said, uh, drink ayahuasca actually is the last case. It's the last case. There is lots of therapies we can do without taking ayahuasca. We don't have to go to surgery. If it's just a massage, we can do massage. If you just walk with no shoes in the ground early in the morning, it helps. So there's lots and lots of, we can do sound healing, we can do yoga, we just cleansing, smudging and cleansing with feathers, with rocks. We can do a lot of things. And In the last case, if you feel lost, the traumas or hard situation in your life doesn't make you do the step, then I can recommend to do ayahuasca, because I can say a lot of beautiful teachings. Drink this, but no energy to drink this. So I said to do a little bit meditation. Do no energy to do meditation. So I tell them to do a lot of things, but they're not doing. They're stuck. They're just they're not. They feel dead. They just like dying. So when they're dying, I recommend, okay, I try to help in many different ways. I think you need ayahuasca.
Yeah.
So we have to try many different therapies. I have right now I'm living here in Canada, staying here in Canada for some teaching sharings, and I'm staying with a friend who make Reiki, energy cleansing. Yeah. So I recommend a lot of people when they come to me asking for ayahuasca. I said, you don't need ayahuasca. You need just the energy cleansing. So I can do energy cleansing, or you can visit my friend, because it's energy. Ayahuasca go deep with energy, and so we can fix a lot of things, but we don't have to end with ayahuasca. We have to try different things, and it's best to not take ayahuasca.
Yeah.
So, but if we really need it, like it's urgent, it's emergency, you have to. We need to boost your life with essence of creator. Yes, we have to. We do organize this event for ayahuasca, but that's why I said it's very important to tell them all this chemistry part and the spiritual part, and who have to lead the ceremonies, when have to be harvest. Also, is very important. Do who is harvesting have to be in a ceremony, have to fast. Not only the patient have to fast. We have to be fast. We have to be clean. Oh, it's like
your energy gets in it's mixed.
Yes.
So I think oh, go ahead. Sorry. Yeah.
All this process is very needed. So if you're buying ayahuasca online, how do you know it's clean? Because a lot of people now, because they're harvesting fresh ayahuasca, so there is not a strong, they're not giving the expansion, so they adding some other things.
Oh yeah.
So, and these things, it damage you, it's hurting you. So that's why we have to be careful with this medicine. It's very sacred, it's very fragile ceremony. So that's why I'm compared with the surgery. So have to make sure everything is clean, everything is safe. But it's very beautiful, very powerful medicine. We can, in one night, we can fix a lot of things. And instead to be in therapies and psychology, all these things, in one night, we can move a lot of things. It doesn't make everything. What the medicine gives you is guidance and teach you. And so you have to do your part.
It's a tool.
And if you don't do your part, ayahuasca will do the part, and then nothing happens. It happens, but not much thing will happen. So we have to, that's why we teach them, we teach the symbols, we have to, before we teach the prepare before and keep taking care after. Is very important to understand this, to be ayahuasca open at the conscious of humanity, become aware, become sensitive, become more humans. So that's a bonus of the medicine of the ayahuasca. You become more humble, you become lovely person. So that's why sometimes I'm walking in the big cities and people are just running and not even, I can feel they're not living their lives. So I said, I would love just to give to everybody ayahuasca and make them peaceful, happy, and joyful. But no, we have to respect everybody's process, and each has their own way, and that's why we have to know the right moment. We have to check ourselves, is the right time. Mm, right time means everything is coming. You hear this, somebody's talking about ayahuasca, and I had a dream, and a ceremony is happening there. So everything is being connected, and so ayahuasca creator, Mother Nature is inviting you to connect with the medicine. So all these things we will be talking, we will be sharing. So, and after the workshop, they might say, no, I don't need ayahuasca then. Or might say, yes, I need in that way, in the sacred way.
Or maybe another ceremony, maybe just a cleansing is all you need.
Just a cleansing, just a white fichai.
Yeah, and you're offering
what's a fichai?
a white fichai, just so I'm happy you're offering this, and this video is going to be amazing for people. Everything listeners have heard you say, if whomever they ask does not respond in the same way you just did, then that is not the right person for you. So thank you for sharing that. It's not a quick fix. I'm hearing it's not something you just do on an impulse, like, well, what shall we do this Friday night? I know, let's do it. It's not that. So thank you so much for sharing so much for free on this video. And if you guys would like to learn more little free tidbits, please like and follow, and please come to these workshops. I think this would be a good live workshop online. Tayta Willka, perhaps, people could log in and we could do this online sometime. But for now, it is being offered in Kichwa Otavalo, in Ecuador. So thank you so much for sharing all of your wisdom with us.
Yupaychani Karen, Mama Karen, que kimba rey con Amanda, Hatum Pachacama, Pachamama, que rey con suma pactaricho. I'm very grateful to you for opening this opportunity and share this moment to lots of people. In the world need medicine. Pachamama need medicine, and thank you for opening this opportunity and help Mother Nature have a better times and better humans, healthy Mother Nature. Chungumanda, Ipachani, and we'll see you soon. We'll keep in touch.